Brian, tell us a little bit about the trip to New York City.
Well, it's exactly for the reason you mentioned. The local law 97 imposes significant fines for the installation and continued use of gas boilers. And just as a note, in New York metro area, just the metro area, not New York State, the metro area uses approximately 60,000 gas boiler installations a year. They've all got to be converted away from gas to an alternative solution, mainly electricity. Our heat pump is the only heat pump that I'm aware of that does simultaneous heating and cooling